Hello, welcome back to the channel, and again I'm in the van today, and this is just a quick introduction to tell you that this next video is going to be all about this CV80, and that is the Compass CV80. Although towards the end of the video you'll see a photograph comparing the interior dark wood of the Compass CV80 to the light wood of the Eldest CV80. The vans are identical, one uses the dark wood and one uses the light wood, so I've showed you both just so you can decide for yourself. Everyone has a preference, and all I would say is it's nice to have a choice. Okay, so without further ado, I'll introduce the video now, and I hope you enjoy it, and thanks very much for watching. So this is your quick tour of the Compass Avantgarde CV80, and as you can see straight away there's the pop top on display. So round to the side here, where it's the white van with the blue Avantgarde CV80 graphics again, based on the Fiat Ducato van, the same as the whole CV range. You've got your Fiat alloy wheels there in gloss black, very nice. The cab is exactly the same as the other cabs in the CV range because they're all based on the Fiat Ducato van, so nothing new to see in there, apart from it does have a new gear knob and new steering wheel, which I'm envious of. Now, getting into the cab, getting into the back of the van here, we've got the ladder that leads up to the pop top. Now, pop top's up, so we'll go straight up the ladder here. We can see that there's a nice sized double bed in there. I'm sure I wouldn't sleep that way though, my feet would be down that end. And there's a lovely skylight there to let plenty of light in, and that is part of the pop top. You've got your side canvas there with the zip out windows, so that'll let the light in and the air in, and it's all finished off nicely with that black shiny finished plastic entrance. And you've got a USB light there, a night light there with a USB charging socket. Back down the ladder, that's a nice lightweight aluminium ladder there. Just have to get out of the way and let some people past, because like I say, this van is very popular. As you can see there, the pop top from the outside there, it's a black canvas against the white van. The contrasting colours are very nice. And the CV80 graphics there at the back. Just waiting to get back in the van. As I say, very popular. Avantgarde graphics there on the side sliding door, and you can see there the dark wood. It's got the two belted seats and the overhead lockers. Now that locker there won't open, as you can see, catches the ladder, so when the ladder's down you can't get into that locker really, but you can still got that access to that one, no problem. Across the way, just inside the side sliding door, you've got your single bowl sink with mixer tap, hot and cold mixer tap there, and the overhead cupboards. Now that's where my microwave is, exactly the same layout as the CV40 this, and you've got your triplex gas burners there, the 3 gas burners for a hob. Just have to get out of the way again. And right, this cupboard down the side here has got your gas isolation taps, and opposite the cupboard under the seats there you've got your fuse box and your water pump, and you can access your fuse box through the little hatch at the front of the cupboard as well as at the side. And there's your fuse box there. That's underneath your 2 belted seats. Okay, so getting out of the way again, let somebody past. You can see there's the fly screen. It covers the side sliding door. Now there is a slight issue with these fly screens, as they don't close completely, so there's a little gap down the side. I'm sure a lot of people have come up with a workaround for that, and I'm sure Eldest are working on that problem, and Compass. But very nice to have a fly screen. Okay, so back in the van, underneath the oven you've got this pan drawer, which is a nice size pan drawer, and at the bottom you've got the cupboard that houses your water heater, your boiler. The oven's just above that. Across the way and into the wet room, you've got a single bowl sink, and the tap is also doubled as a shower, and that is a mixer tap again. Now in this one you have the window in there because obviously there's no skylight because of the pop top, so you have a nice window in there instead. Your control panel is above the side sliding door, as I said earlier. That's one of the differences between this and the CV80, and that's got the new heater controls there, as you can see. Work on my way back, you've got the fridge with the cool box at the top, or freezer, and below that you've got your wardrobe or cupboard for storage space. Now this would double up into the other double bed at the back here, but above that we've got the 2 overhead lockers on each side. That's that side. Nice, lots of storage space there, and there's your TV bracket, and on the other side you've got the other 2 overhead lockers, and this end one here being where your TV aerial connection points are, and there's your TV aerial bracket there. That's a 3-way bracket fastened to the wall. Down below that you've got your table storage, and this makes up your double bed, but underneath that you've got storage space and your leisure battery. And those sides pull out to make up a double bed, and the cushions drop down into the middle. Got a little access door there at the back for storage, and as you can see there, that's the dark wood finish with the light upholstery. Have another look in there. All the windows on the back there are opening windows with fly screens and blackout blinds. That's your tour of the Compass Avantgarde CV80. As I say, there's a photo now of the Compass Avantgarde CV80 with the dark wood finish, followed by a photo of the Eldest AutoQuest CV80 with the light wood finish, so you can see the difference between the two. So there's your dark wood on the Avantgarde, and there's your light wood. And that's the only difference between the two vehicles. Okay, that's the end of this video. That was your tour of the Compass Avantgarde CV80. As I said, it's exactly the same as the Eldest, apart from the different coloured furniture board. Okay, so I hope you've enjoyed this series of CV videos, and this being the final one, the CV80. I know a lot of people were waiting to see this one because they wanted to see what was in the pop top. So there you go. As I say, apologise for the speed at which I went round the van, but it was a very popular van on the day, and it was difficult to get some time in there on my own. There was times when I've had to cut the video because there was lots of kids coming in climbing. I don't like to get people's kids in the video. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. Hope to see you in the next video. Bye.